Welcome. Today we're doing a deep dive into setting up shipping, delivery, and pickup for your online store using Wix Stores. So our goal here is to walk you through it step by step, just to make sure everything's smooth for your customers and, easy for you to manage.
Got it.
Where do you actually configure this stuff?
You'll head over to the shipping, delivery, and fulfillment settings. It's right there in your site's dashboard.
Got it.
Wix usually starts you off with default, domestic, and international regions, both with free shipping set. You can change those free shipping options by hovering over them and clicking Edit, but you'll likely want to get more specific.
So you'd use the Create Region button.
Precisely. Click that, and you can define new areas. First, give it an internal region name. This is just for you. Customers won't see it.
Helps keep things organized.
Then you add one or more destinations. Could be whole countries. Or, and this is powerful, you can click Edit next to a country and pick specific regions inside it, like states or provinces. Super useful.
Why is that level of detail important?
Well, maybe you have different costs or rules or taxes for different states. Or maybe you can only ship certain things locally. But here's something really important. If you don't have an active shipping, local delivery, or pickup rule set up for a region, customers from that region just can't complete their purchase. It'll basically say you don't deliver there.
Wow, okay. So setting up something for every place you sell to is absolutely essential.
Non-negotiable, really. So once the region is defined, you choose your fulfillment method for it.
Right. Shipping, local delivery, or pickup.
Exactly.
And I heard there's a specific option for U.S. sellers.
That's right. If your store is in the U.S. and you sell in USD, you can choose calculated by USPS.
Okay, and that gives real-time rates?
Yep, pulls the rates directly from USPS at checkout. Customers really like seeing that transparency.
Nice. Let's talk shipping first. How do you set the price?
Wix gives you quite a few options here. You could go with free shipping, always popular, great selling point if it works for your numbers, or flat rate. That's just one charge for all purchases. Super simple, especially if your products are all pretty similar. Then there's rate by weight. This charge is based on the total weight of the order. Good if you sell, heavy things and light things. Rate by price is another one. Rates change based on the order total. You can also do rate by quantity, basing the cost on how many items someone buys.
And what's really cool, I think, is that for most of these, maybe not free shipping, but for the others, you can offer different levels of service, right? Like standard versus express.
Exactly. You can set up options like standard, priority, or maybe overnight shipping. Customers then get to choose the speed and price that works best for them right at checkout. It gives them control. And to do that, you just click Add Rate and choose the other shipping method you would like to offer.
Cool. What about local delivery? How does that work?
So local delivery, basically a courier service. Back in shipping and fulfillment, pick your region, then click local delivery.
Right.
You give it an area name, set the delivery rate, and there's a handy checkbox to offer free delivery when a customer buys over a certain amount. Nice little incentive.
How do you define the area for local delivery?
3 ways. You can do a radius around your address, or you can list specific zip postal codes.
And the third way?
You can actually draw on a map. Just drag the corners to outline your exact zone. Very flexible.
Nice. And can you set specific delivery times?
You bet. After defining the area, you define delivery days and time frames. You could just give an estimated delivery time, like 2-3 business days, or you can enable delivery time slots. This lets customers pick a specific slot from a calendar. You set your available days, hours, even cutoff times for same day or next day options.
And the last one was pickup.
Yeah. Pretty straightforward. You set up one or more locations where customers can pick up their orders in person.
So you just need the name, the address.
Right, the address they need to go to. You can also add an estimated time for when the order will typically be ready and any specific instructions like, ring the bell or go to counter 3.
Got it. Are there any more sort of advanced things to consider?
Well, yeah, a couple of quick ones. You can add third-party shipping apps if you need more real-time rate options from other carriers. And if you sell really different kinds of products, you can use something called delivery profiles.
Delivery profiles?
Yeah, they let you set up completely separate shipping or delivery rules just for specific groups of your products. So, heavy stuff gets one rule, fragile stuff gets another.
Ah, that sounds really useful for managing complex inventory. So there you have it. You've now seen how to effectively set up shipping, delivery, and pickup options step by step in Wix Stores. For more detailed information, extra tips, and further guidance, please do check out the full article and other great resources in the Wix Help Center. Thanks for watching.